Eti Kwame plus any TikTokers abedin komo after the arrest of Abronye Dc. Kwame Bafo Abronye. Omo bedin komo after, in fact, omo be komo adwon pa kire Mahama any IGP. And say I didn't cost no there. And try even to the point of remanding Kwame Bafo Abronye A plus abe fire on that. Remember on chire kire adwon amame. E wo comment section. Aha you Penyah block media. Mess say any demo. Obe like video no other am, subscribe button, snap click the notification icon no latest update, snap chile wa adwon amame e wo comment section. Mess so baso no share for so enya bi ahwe. On the 8th of September 2025, ana Ghana police ekwachi Kwame Bafo Abronye edin ko omo asoye. Omo asem yan say omo din be court because one wakasa amna no atia IGP for offensive conduct. What I say towards IGP, what did the IGP Yohonu attempt aka na adwan say IGP your cromfo nyina we corrupt say why can't we be done etiana Emma Ghana police ekwachi no Emma the issue no you know say ko na nra come the court Emma the court enra na ye 9 from the court no Ghana police as the update eba say Abronye is being remanded just omo remanded Kwame Bafo Emma the court kran omni say Black Maria mo and you know Black Maria I a prison car. Yes, prison car say ye check criminal na the court. Don't let say bia wontimi ensi nwane. Ye mfa no to any ordinary car we say that Black Maria ni mo say bia that criminal. Onya chance bia ensi enwane nko. E ma media say we na e kire omadwen e won ho say na Kwame Bafo Abronye ya chi ne pa de. Entwe na on that issue no. E na we say Kwame A+ abefire. Na Kwame A+ akọ no Facebook page. E ho e na ko make some post bi. E na o kire mu say arresting and detaining people for insult is unacceptable. It is very, very wrong. Very, very wrong. Kwame Plaza Chireme say wochi obi na wasa remanding no for insult. Say we did obi atem in then ya chi no. Ya kwachi na sa remanding ba proper there. Entwe entwe and no pa there. And I'm for say asema Kwame Plaza kan there. I say all sign it because all those obedi attention to atebo pen. Okay ya, ebu memu no twabura attention to catch attention say you crom for you corrupt. 1, or you old fool. 2, or you stupid man. 3, or better resetting the brain. 4. What I say? Anybody which I say as a Kwame plus or sign it or sunity and now bringing a whole soon or sunity. But who come media so prior to the arrest and detaining of Kwame Bafo Abronye, the media and so TikTok is for now. Abeke kan omadwen ewo
IGP animguasie akwabo IGP animguasie akwaba IGP tetaye Yohonu animguasie akwaba bisrawo wunya follow me na fa onsa bakuma so like video na share na ko ba bibiara na video no so hwe na ntu ase me hwe ntwamu nko hwe na ntu ase hwe IGP wo ya wote wono chese IGP no ade anya na niwu anase wo falie ni na niso IGP falie ni wa niso anase dan ade IGP se ka wo falie ade ene ko ye wo man bi pa ye serious a e ka IGP ba do say go resign o ana wuni musa me say by this time ka IGP o say ka wo resign every IGP no so se wuni ma wo man bi ye serious a ka IGP ba do say o resign. And now IGP na wudi no we NDC wudi ma NDC and answer wudi ma Ghana for NDC IGP na wudi wa Ghana ha na answer den and now wudi mu say Ghana ye tax in the 12 ka ba bia wote no Ghana for the 12 ka na answer den we ye dwuma ma NDC and answer we ye dwuma ma adana munya position bia no te mu di position ye de mo pe just keke adan e just say we are say ye ko ye di mu de de bia bia bu jara na bu jira politics are the dibutia the only one here. We are professional police and we are both post. So we are IGP now here so. We know where we are united. Ade. Say NDC party a year the body say IGP as so almost. What do touch you? Can be say last be tie. Allegation be power NDC the restore well and not propose a one. Hey, beti mi wa me tie you. No be say na me yabo hihye. MPP ni da ka sa sebra kan da du ade a chipo sa da na dwena ko chiro. E allegation to Adam Bona so say Adam Bona and the sopra egboku e omomoku no sopra butuo. And the man Mahama the post. Full serious allegation. What that suit them all IGP to ya to say for na aka so ya se no wi. Wo bia ka seti a wo dia wo di bi ka koche no. Dia wo ne ba no. Wo papa ye ya ho ana se dey. Wo ye hwan? A wo ye tumi ye wo. IGP wo ye hwan? Wo to nsia na abowia. Adai. When you are there, come think about this time. Go resign. She wa brasu. She no mercy. Wa Ghana. She no mercy. Sabana region. Timbe before. Say to someone ni bambo for. Obu ni obi obo mo manchi. Obu ni edwane akọ Côte d'Ivoire. Ni nyina anye wa wera ho. Wo mamu for. So obu nya bambo. Obu life with the danger. Eto obu edwane afri Ghana ha no. IGP anye wa wera ho. Adai. Just a would I want to ask you. And the Tibamunica Samutia will be penal if you cannot watch it. I don't know why IGP Diano, I wonder what. Politician Nika Sapa, or so watching IGP Diano, I wonder what. I don't know see what I got to a member. IGP and then me put two net to yourself. Your mountain days. Ube do so, Ube so. And don't mind, you can have woman, your cool more Ghana. Pharmacy fan, when the report of the top of Tinia will be. And the Padua Yaku more Ghana every January, and the people September. IGP, the Persia who the Padua. The Persia who the Padua Yaku. Eh? Why did I want to want? And I know what you are also. And I get a chair who I want to check. A chair who I want to check. What about saying I have? Abronye Sebu who bail and I get a wounded member. One father for Huma and son of a Dubri House. Maybe a president one. Namu Fanu go to Money Joe and check Ghana for you. I say, I brought you the deep penny for them. And you are going to Kudu. And you was a my idea. I don't know. Would you must have gone every day?
Debbie. And this is for resetting India. In fact, this resetting is resetting. In fact, I know a thing now. A door so no do. It's Ghana. You to me a peace of mind. And find them as a mind. Your democracy now. Yen and anom at the abetua mind a freedom of speech, you know. And this is my motion. I say, yen find your man. In fact, I know a day. And I coach Nipa way, or I coach Nipa way. I know a day too much. Nina say. If they want to implement something new, they try to find something. Attention, no, ever dive alcohol. Just recently, Omo Adjin my fire say, if they want to implement something new, that's what Mohena Ghana for Becca Sound Baby. No, Mashada, Ape Bibi about no tension, no alcohol. Abronye complaining, D-levy, no quick. And I'm pay Bibi the Baba share home. In fact, N0NSENSE Mahama, the President of the Republic, in fact, Udin Bono Dawson, amount for complaining too much. Leave the MPP communicators, let them work. Abrana and this war position. Muye HSA, Mudi and another Akufo attempt JSA. Moya may have FIPA pay. In fact, my year I may have FIPA pay. Your democracy now, dear Jumano, in fact, I know a thing, and they are two be, or two be, just don't be manity or ma quick. Near Suma Yoko, near Suma way. And then it is alleged, and yes, it is even alleged. There are several videos, Moses Abo, Efie, Yakucha Weshia, say a Abronye. In fact, Obianga and Sama Abronye, Ekano, a ye. In fact, you see, attempted the idea, me politics of insults, me find you, my mempe, because me a Methodist in here, you have to tell me Methodist sumu, and to me, attempted the idea, mempe. Name mom, if we want to advise, if you want to arrest, let's arrest from above. We had NDC communicators, Omudin and I don't go forward to attempt a snap of pay 1 year, Moshe, a foot and or the Maya. Nana don't go for the Yango for own shell on to uncle. Now, Wamamoni, I do gem, Amamoni, Amamua, young who be that, and that's some book because Amamua will tell my cabin to me yet. And then N0NSENSE Mahama say, President, say, ye cabby mammy in cabino, and that ye waka yen cabby. There are several trending issues. I of course will him say Ghana for Becca once a month quick. na wapɛ biribi de aba abɛhyɛ wo.
Abusuafo ne kwasɛm paa ne sɛ deɛ Abronye kaeɛ no yɛnyina no obi ani hɔ a ɔfoa so ɛsan sɛ media me feel sɛ ɛni sɛ obiara didi obi atem ɛwɔ politics a yɛyɛ wɔ ma yi no nanso ɔnyɛ bɔne biara mmara bi wɔ hɔ a ɛkyekyere sɛ ɛwɔ sɛ yɛyɛ no deɛ yɛayɛ no yi ɛsan sɛ obi didi watem wɔ Ghana ha the only thing a wobɛyɛ ne sɛ odi nipa no bɛkɔ court na ayɛ civil case ɛnyɛ case a yɛbɛma police fo akyi obi na edina kɔhwɛ ɛyɛ kasa kɛseɛ mu ne na keka ho hwɛ Black Maria ɔmo de ne hyɛ mu ɛyɛ hardened criminals ɛna yɛde ɔmo hyɛ mu again wohwɛ ɛyɛ mmara na ɔmo de yɛ adwuma na yɛhwɛ sɛ mmara no ɛyɛ adwuma wɔ MPP for so nko a ɛsan sɛ hwɛ listowel Nana Poku a ɔyɛ NDC ni aban yi ba aban mu a day na President Mahama appointed Adam Bona as small arms penny no asama obeka ne say omampani Mahama e pese obon man no esan say Adam Bona ono feel say oye omo de akode ekokboko ema omo kuntokwa ho again wasan ka say dampare that am IGP wodi for akom nipa makoma 15 video no wa ha meyi na obi ahwe na wa compare between that video no any the Abronye kan no the himpa na nka wo say free nipa no but listo na Nana Poku up to now obi am free no obi akran ka say asam na wakan no wontwen sign ne keka ho iti ade nti na Abronye akoka na sem wadidi obi atem wadidi na tema the best thing is say obesiw no na odina court na wakodi damages
men na John Mahama aye no opese obo man no Adam Bona na onenam na wo so oye doctor no school no ko no hen PhD no nya no hen this is a manner they born free UK for criminality. I will dive into it. Me say me time ni swa. You musa question say. E din no kwa ye wa secondary school. Six from Abreso in the 80s. Then no kwa ye. Ne papa na ne ye posini. Posini ba ye security expert. Oko security school or hin. Yeah, what security expert title. Yeah, media forces so much bu. Na matimi afra dan bona betra radio so TV so. Me list to okrampo say be krampo. Me hu so ja kakra. Me yem from security expert. Obi a onu kra wuri tuo to okra won timi nkire tuo ne bare na won timi nkire atuo se ne ye tutu tuo ne ya hye tuo onim ye. Yes, so a security expert. Obi a onu wo kan hu no supply tuo kom boko. What is that small arms and way amano? He said you have legitimized his talking trade. Dan paria kwala, they pain in my heart. They say me call Botiano, nipa 15 or me wo. That John Mahama be agusu ni nkan huntia. Why is that Paris still at post? That Paris, why is that Paris still at post? Look, John Mahama onim ne ho. I am me ya. Edu baby am na John Mahama sem ya me ya too much. Because so ni musla nya mediama wa so enkwasiafo so da so ma dampare da so tigana so it means that another dampare ye bia ope. Then why did we have to change the government? Obi a wakokum nipa as a nipa line ayo mo firing squad wo botiano. This is public knowledge. Post is saying now, or no team ma command say, yes, send the line, and your firing squad, I will bottle on Kuomo. What I saw to as IGP under you.
Okay.
Ha! It's a quiet by. And then Uncle Pony of what?
Ghana for the same be so. Aya IGP no was special training be at the mom, and I say, Omwa Junior San in India, no mudidi position. Because that's tete yo nu Christian mi huni ye bio. Me na church le mu kire me ba se ye Ghana ya IGP ko boko embra to ko esi boko. E mo bitam tuo so oshutu na ekunu. E bo ne kam ka na bulletproof ntina anka no. Ba osi form be pass ani pa na church ka chen so nya abotre. Me fa no Ghana police ni. But obi so tina TV so amfa tu amba IGP no. E ka kire IGP ni se ne nemo ye no huni se na dwumu emre. Onimya so ya aboa sebi ama IGP maye ko chisa nipa no aden de otwituo san kokun ni wo ye panichew na de ode na no hie o ye chini tuma
Papa se me so me ya agye di se wadwene mu emra na wo wiase ne sini trase ama. Ghana no ye papa ebeka. We papa ebeka. Tantan no so ba ebeka na sa pepepe. Wo deserve ya ye so aye be ma pepepe. Because sa mu penifo mu ano mama ye nyina enya sa suban no. Mama nkwale enya sa suban no. Your fantasy and channel ya channel. Ralph Kodin say we up hospital kese ebu nurse ni kwe prano. Ya channel ya nya hwe bobi tena TV so kasa. Ana so bi tena ne TikTok so kasa ya chini tuma. Say bi na tese mo na amadwuma mrampa. Adwene mu ya mrampa. Yese ne chekere oman. Mami ka no kure nkyere. Leader bia we yard papa no ne criticize o. Nti ya criticize wa onko onfumu ndwa. We din why de ya man kwofo no na dey na mu ase ya criticizing bia na my emotional na mata mu jimi atomokon ade mu chi nyina o Ghana IGP wa police for ni bi kra anka sem papa anfa information ni piwa efio mo na ba ye nchen nti wo be ya ade ni ya ye sa udin Christian kra ye nyim fio so na wo so bi efe ni Christian nse hunu kwa
Mahama ye hwe so bu o man no why hwe so bu o man ne gya chichire na ma chidwe ena we na wo de anya den nya de hia ni kotue adwumayefo ka teachers ne nurse wo musu bosome nwotwe nkunu ne yentue omka kokotue omka ne gya chichire na wo chichire nkrofo no eno ya mamu obi kasa na akwachire no tiktokers ye ne yehunu amane sese eya mamu jade wo ye na koko ye bu man no said they share about 24-hour economy ngoko nketengete ngoko buo no en discotheque no fa bra ne ja chichire no ne no hu ya wow onkrofo di dimpenifo atemotumfo mo hihye nkrofo achi mo mu di o matem Ghana ha hwane kochiri obi ene de obi kasa ne ache no obi kasa ne ache no unya ne oye no na mfa mu man no promising nkrofo student ice cream no fa komom ne ja de wo ye no na mmoa Ghana no nyese na ye tete no yesi democracy jama democracy nya adwuma na rodents mpo a o kan se Ghana kita ne se kosua no enne rodents no owen wo Ghana ho ti se mo se mo de mo ba chechite yen de a enne mo miem na mo chechite yen nyina ya bremo Ghana ho be kan ya no atum Lawrence time kure ni pakasa why Lawrence time onu krompo o ma nipa da no nsia sori no nsia krompo nipa kasa aden obia kana no atum penifo ni nyina obia so onkasa asofo atrofo adifo akokonsafo atrofo asofo no omgu o man no obia so onkasa yankopon hunu mu nyame betwie mu nyina amuka
IGP obi trete minority leader entuma mu anchina antum IGP obi trete minority leader entuma mu anchina antum na obi ka asem uti oda na eson kenka chinentum obi ka asem uti oda na eson kenka chinentum what the rambo stars on eden what the kai na esi ni sheka chiro ni pay edin okay ni sheka chiro afia market is also report to national security dia won kodon ye na TikTok is simple wallet won obi ka se muti oda na won chinuntum na nka dampawe su ten gofo na nka nyim gofo wa chona atuma na won believe be se ko na we fi the deputy ana na deputy IGP nda be IGP angasa nti obi ka sem te oda eden e chinuntum yem blame obia you blame Ghana for go to NDC
Yeah, no be. We will not stop talking in this country. It's based on Obia opinion. You cannot criminalize me for my opinion. And let that one be clear. Say if there's any attempt, say the huna be bashemko from na ya jaikasa, and they are buying we should try again. Because this one is not hard enough. But and then penny say you are beko fie na watching na home na ne fa ho bie me fundamental human rights ma tiatia so ye de na de be ma ne bio na ebisafo so be hu no na you know the rest of the case no nobody should be scared, nobody should be afraid. Munko TikTok no so mun biye mo TikTok monya mo live
Mundin komo. But don't threaten anybody. My threaten obia. Threat there. It goes into a different realm kakra. But kasa de free. Say obeka wadwin here. Free. Ghana mra, you know, your share emayen. It's measure obia crying. So any day no, you be Kwame party for MPP youth. The person should call on us. The person na be boa na ekono eyina yakubi. But at the end of the day, no, we should not go beyond the line. My entire line also say we are threatening people. You can't say because where your right ends is where somebody's begin. And nobody can do anything. As for Kassam, the age my way. We'll keep talking.
Thank you.
Atifo mchacho vivia. Yura Mahama. For the all due respect, me do when you papa. Inti say social media, any YouTube ni Facebook, muti die kanyina ntina wote. Ena na wo position na kwasi ampanyi Kevin Taylor kwateboto abof no jimifo ahyawo ni ba o maame ya ahyawo ede wo no Kevin Taylor. Na wodidi ma akufo ado atam ne yikan say yewura opemso atam no. Inti say Mahama na wote. Mahama ni utimo den. Mahama we wicked papa. On say wodi ye wo betena so ye hwabo wodi ye Kevin te kan say Twini Jonas any slimni ga yi hwabo wodi on say ne wo say ye filthy words no. Mahama what me do hu ya papa. Wouldn't say social media and niema TikTok any Facebook ni YouTube niema ekoso nyina say na wuti Mahama. And na Kevin Taylor di opem so atem na chese na wo Kevin Taylor ba ya kwa Kevin Taylor nti ukoko yi Chief Justice edi ema wo di Kevin Taylor ba Ghana ema yi na sama wo court bench warrant dan so na wontimi ma na wo ko yi Chief Justice edi na wo sa di Kevin Taylor ba yi kwotena yewura na N0NSENSE fie residential area vice president born ho ban emiesi isa court ma wo sa ko di bem eni ne Mahama na Kevin Taylor di no di yewura akufo ado atam ene opem so atam nyina Mahama na onim ubi onza afredi e ka wo dan de wo se kwan ne e kan se kwan ne nye aban nyi kwan ne ye ohun ewiase ese kakra be ka wo no hu ni ya o say woman fi boss anyu mu ama obi awu wo a wo ye mamboye wo na wodi abro na adwenboni wo tu na o say woman fi boss anyu ne ma wo etina wonim pefe se adia na Kevin Taylor ye na wodi dinkrofo atam hwe asofo wo ko mu nyina wo hweni abawie Mahama wo hweni abawie nyina asofo wo ko mu nyina Kevin Taylor di mu nyina atam dankan wuri se wodi na atam kan say Usu ba pam yodi o matam so ye wie ye ukọ na ase asole wo what ase na chese sanyema na ekoso no mu di atam nyina na Mahama wo ya we on se afidi ye di watam de ye wo ya ye omu kansamfo Twini Jonas kansamfo chel de ye wo ya because kwasi ampen Kevin Taylor no NDC ni ntimi nkafo nkyere wo na ewiase osi duamu bu okoku a esa ba wa so na Mahama me di ho ya wo Ghana for saadi wo ya ensem ya beka we Ghana for niema Kevin Taylor di ye wo my we say yemfa nche wo da Mahama wo fra ban so kra yemfa nche wo oh you pay for it and that ye o mu say ye di attempt wo ye bibia fa ho wo tibi nye bibia fa ho social media na ho no nye Ghana for de wo na nye kan say aban dia you obi dia wo Europe. You can't see that network. What me see is a network in money. I don't know mudia bro, muti Ghana, and painful more show my way so ye famous fiamo. A 10 year na modi chassis, a 10 year, we are paying more, a 10 year, when you know we are away. Afraid they almost say, I can't say, tell an ye, dear attempt, ya yanti, yan shook have been pampaso. Ya a quam piano, alternative piano bium. sɛdeɛ nsuo yɛ saa na awia bɛyɛ.
Wobɛtumi akyerɛ w'adwene ama me ɛwɔ comment section. Aha yi Penyah Block Media. Akra.